Exploring the world of acting, a beginner's guide to acting workshops. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of acting workshops. Whether you're a budding actor or just curious about what happens in these workshops, this video is for you. Let's explore together how acting workshops function and why they are important in the world of theater and film. In this section, we will define what an acting workshop is. An acting workshop is a training session or series of sessions where aspiring actors can learn and practice the craft of acting. These workshops are often led by experienced actors or directors and provide a platform for participants to enhance their acting skills, learn new techniques, and sometimes even prepare for specific roles or performances. Here, we'll talk about what typically happens in an acting workshop. Workshops can vary greatly, but most will include activities like improvisational exercises, script reading, character development, and scene practice. These activities are designed to build confidence, improve communication skills, and foster creativity among participants. In this section, we'll explore the various benefits of attending acting workshops. Apart from skill development, workshops offer opportunities for networking with industry professionals and fellow actors. They also provide a safe space for participants to express themselves creatively and receive constructive feedback on their performances. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of acting workshops and their significance in the acting community. Whether you're aspiring to be on stage or screen, or simply looking to understand more about the art of acting, attending a workshop can be an invaluable experience. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your acting journey.